It's the fall season, late summer or early fall, and the trees are starting to produce their fruit. Now we have two different types of oak trees, and this is an oak tree. We have the ones that have the rounded lobed leaves, and then we have the ones with the pointed oak leaves. And this one, if you look real close, has a point on it. Well, the rounded lobed leaves are from the white oak family, and it takes only 1 year for them to produce acorns. But the red oak that has the points on it, even like this one, take 2 years to produce their acorns. An easy way to remember the red oak group from the white oak group is the white oak group has round lobed leaves like the rounded top of a 10-gallon hat from the white man, the cowboy, whereas the red oak group has points like the arrows and the spears. And this plant right here is an oak, and it is called shingle oak, and it's really producing a lot of these acorns. These acorns have taken 2 years to produce, and they are, as far as animals are concerned, more bitter than the white oak because they have more tannic acid in them. But these are eaten by squirrels, deer, turkey, a variety of animals, and the tannic acid really doesn't bother them. But our Native Americans, and where I'm at right here, the last Native Americans that lived here were the Delaware Indians. The Delaware Indians, when they would see this, they would gather these when they were mature. They would place them in like a fish basket and put them in a moving stream, and it would wash over the acorns, and it would get rid of the tannic acid after a week or two. Then they would break them open, get the nut meat, smash it up, and they would make a flour. And that flour was high in protein, and it kept them surviving throughout the winter, because in the deep, dark parts of winter, getting protein was difficult because hunting was difficult. This is also known, in addition to be calling the shingle oak, because they made shingles from the wood for the early pioneer houses. It is also called the hangman's tree, because as you can see, this branch gives a lot. And when they hung a person for a crime that was a hangable crime, they wanted to induce a lot of pain, and an up and down movement on the branch would help them to actually induce the most severe pain for the person that was dying. It's called the hangman's tree or the shingle oak, and it's just one of our native oaks in this area out of the whole bounty that God has given us. And also, these acorns, just like the natives would make a fry bread out of them, we can make bread the same way. Thank you. This is the Mose, and may God bless you.